Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to create Deezer account. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open any web browser on your PC as I am using a Microsoft Edge for this. Now go in for new tab and search in for a Deezer.com and press enter. Here you need to click on accept. As we are going to create a new account on Deezer, we will click on sign up free. Here you also can register your Deezer account with Facebook and Google in just few steps. All the required details to register account on Deezer are fetched from this account. As I will be registering through my email address, so you need to provide the following details. That is, you provide your email address first. Now then you go in for providing the username. And then you go in for providing a password that must contain at least 8 characters. Then you provide your age. Here you need to provide your identity. For that you click on the drop down menu and go in for selecting your gender. After you are done providing all the details, you need to click on sign up. With that, your Deezer account will be created. This is how you can create a Deezer account. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how to get a new enroll in Deezer account. Thank you.